Hi guys, I got the strangest what if. Let's take one of the virtual machines. This is the ISO that will come in March. And the idea, the project is Sardi, coloring of icons. I've made a video on YouTube about icons and about specifically icons that are these guys. User, share, and then you go for icons, and there's a lot of Sardi stuff in there. I would like to have an experiment, and it's also a little bit of scripting with Sardi Ghost. Both of you actually, and then copy, put it immediately where we can see it later on, which is the .icons folder, which is not present. .icons folder, and in here we're gonna play around. So the Sardi Ghost, look at properties, 29 gigabyte, no, 8.3, right? 8.3 megabyte, and this guy is super small. Let's see if that's true. Kilobytes. So this contains only folders, and the folders I like. And folders are these from Arc. But the idea that I have was, if we can change the scalable, the apps which are now all white, there are scripts to change the color to gray, to hot pink, to Viking, which is, I don't know, blue-green, I think, flexible, Baltic, coral, and golden. That's gonna be orange, yellow, right? So we have a script to change color. Now, probably, let's have a look, because it has been a while. Compare. That's the difference. One color, another color, right? So pretty much the same thing. Now, in here, it is a what if. I don't know how to do it yet, but we change the color to a new color here. And I was thinking, can we make some kind of randomizer that is going to loop through this? That's gonna be difficult, right? That's gonna loop through this, but this is then just the apps. Interesting for me. So each, instead of doing it all at once, I have to tell them that it should loop as many times as there are files in scalable apps. Control A. 5,314 loops, and each time a different one. But there is a but. There are also symbolic links, and you shouldn't really color those. You should only color files. So find me all the files, not the symbolic links, and color them any way you see fit. That's the what if. Is that possible? Yeah, is that possible? Okay, smaller scale, right? Smaller scale. Big scale, small scale. If I take this one, Control C to the desktop, Control V, I'm gonna say, I'm gonna do this, except that and that and that and that and those and those and those. Voila. And the rest delete. Delete. Is deleting, I suppose. Yep, file operation progress. And then one level up if I can, if I may. Yes to all. Okay, gone. Oh, listen to that. So up here we're gonna need a script that we're gonna get from here. Change color, Control C, desktop, Control V. Change color. Fine. Control C, Control V. Test. Let's delete. We need to have that color, all color, new color. Folder of 16, keep out. Folder 22, keep out, keep out, keep out, keep out. 48, 96, 28. Here they are. Actions, animations, stop, delete. Categories, maybe, but no, the rest keep out. Now, categories is for later. So this is also for later. I have to figure out a color. Give me internet help bash randomize color. These are something bash give you a random color. Okay. Accept all cookies. Looks like this. And I have to find something that I get, right? In code. What else? Random hex numbers, yeah. So hex, Control T, random, rand, hex, and what's the 3? Command not found. Yay, rand. Do we have something like that? Is there an application called rand? Xorg auto render. Would be nice, right? Rand lib, rank mirrors. Okay. 0 Pacman minus S ra. Range ranger. Nope. So where is this coming from? Hex dump. Do we have hex dump? Hex dump. Okay, hex dump gives us nothing. And then minus N3 gives us nothing. What's all that? Let's just copy paste. Control C, Control V. Okay. So far. So if we use that code, new color, so we do this command and we have to put it inside inside, I think it was like this with a dollar, and then we can put it in here, I think. Save. So let's have a look. We have a test. It's gonna search scalable apps, which is not correct. Well, yes, it is correct if I type scalable apps. Voila. Find me scalable apps. Scalable apps name SVG and then Let's see, Control C. You go out, you stay up here. This one I don't need. This one I want to test. Eddie, come on. Test SH. Let's see. LL. Schmutz. Plus X test SH. And then we're gonna do test SH. Nothing shown. It's all black. So it's not working. The hexadecimal is not working, it's just zeros. So this thing, not sure if we need this here. Yeah, everything is broken now. Eh? It's now black, and white will always be wrong. Get it? So Control Find. This is now, let's have a look at the code. Sublime text. The code now. Oh, is this? And there's a typo there as well. So let's go back to the original. Eric, icons, very flexible, scalable apps, and put in a few like this. Voila. So white, FFF. So when I run this, why is it looking at FFA? It's looking at FFA and not at FFF. Must be a reason for it. Anyway, I need to know if this is working. So echo dollar new color, save. I'll run this again. Why is this not running or doing anything? Test SH desktop. Check. And when I run it, it just holds, doesn't say anything. Old color, yes. New color is this, and I want to print it. That's all I want to do. So this thing is probably not okay. Control C, Control Shift V. Nope, that's not okay. But it used to be okay with this. Control Shift V. Definitely okay. So why was it black? That's the question. Why? Echo new color, save. Haha. Oh yeah, of course. Save. Okay. 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 Voila. yeah, got it. Replace, place all. The thing that is here is without hashtag, and the one in here is with hashtag. So I have to tell him to get rid of the hashtag. So basically that's here, I guess. Should or should I not do that? Let's see. Save. Control C. Awesome, awesome. And then we run test. Ooh, it's all green now. That's not actually what I want, right? I want to loop everything over and over and over again. I want to, that's fill, stroke. I believe for this one stroke is unimportant, but I want to loop every single file over and over again. So it's the same thing as making a for loop. So let's see. On my other screen, I'm opening applications that scripts that I already use. So for, if I can say all color is always all color, but for name in, and then I'm gonna list the content of, scalable apps, and actually it should be only files, so nonetheless no symbolic things. So this is if we want only directories. Directory, file type, maybe. Okay, that's for later. I'll have to read it again. So ls, see what we get already. Find me, if I do this, Control C, Control T, well, no, not there, but here, then we get this. Okay. For name, then you do all this, probably till here, and here you end with done. Save. Now I want each time for each color, each file a different color. Is that correct? So back to white. Yep. And we run. We see all kind of different colors, but in the end we get two colors. So that's strange. Yeah. Yes. So we need it's gonna take the first one, it's gonna make a color, it's gonna change anything that's in here. That's not the point. It's gonna change, this particular file, which is name, color name. And I don't think we need this anymore, which leads us to all the rest. Find me in that file find me if you can find this and this and this, and a name. Save. And then for each file he'll try to change these things. Looks good. Try and you shall know. Can't read Adobe Reader SVG, no such file. So it's the path, he does not know where he is. So my dear friend, the name is that. Okay, so you need to go to scalable apps. Save. Yes and no. Can't read. Why not? Those are the red guys, and the red guys are symbolic links. Huh? Oh, then it was successful. Oh, did not see it. It's all different kind of icons. That would be nice. It's gonna be colorful. Great. But, well, the links, it's just errors and all that. But is there a bot? No, there's no bot. Control A, Control C, Control V. Just a lot of error messages, but that's all. That's because of the symbolic link. So we are fine to tell them that the file should be a file, not a link. And that's out too, just to switch somewhere. There's even an easier way. Just do it manually. Select symbolic links out of the folder. Done. And overwrite a file. Let's see. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Not really accurate, these things. Run, baby. He's busy. $5,000, I suppose. 5,258 files. Okay. Now Thunar has to catch up. How is it looking? Now what I can do in the meantime. So on the desktop, that's this guy. I shouldn't have pressed desktop. It's Thunar. It's just hanging. It's no, not responsive. We can help Thunar, right? Sure we can. Thunar -Q. Bye. Ooh, not even that. Super escape. Poof, killed. So up here, apps. What do we get? A lot of greens. Right? At random, coloring. Fine. So if that's the folder, Control C, and we go to icons, this one, that one, this one, right? That's the old whitey. Well, we'll keep it around, original, and Control V. And let's select it and have a look. Just a what if, guys. There's nothing more. Yeah. Well, let's give it a name. Sardi goes flexible. Rainbow. What do you think? Rainbow. And we go in here, and we go in here. I'm gonna call it rainbow. That's all. Save. Boom. And now we refresh. This one. This one. Now we have a look. Here is rainbow. Close. Close. And here is already something green. The categories. We did not include the categories. The what if is working. That's what I wanted to test. The what if is working, and black is also a color, right? Why not? There's no control. And white is also a color, of course. So basically, I was just thinking, if scalable, if I take categories, Control A, Control C, I go to my desktop, I go to scalable, apps, this has been changed by I. The virtual machine says, what are you doing? So I'm gonna copy paste the categories in here, rerun the script, and we've got the categories. The only thing is, this takes a while, right? Apps, create folder, apps, and put it in there. Voila. And then we're gonna run our script that's here. Test. And the categories have a color. I'm gonna put the content of this, Control C, where it's supposed to be, which is, I'm gonna change these icons, I don't like it. Icons, yes. Rainbow, yes. Scalable, yes. Categories, all white. Control A, delete. Control V. Better. So we get this thing that's changed. It'll change. Up here. Look at all that. Appearance. Icons. Up. Switch. That's better. These guys are not white anymore. And in no time, you have an icon theme that nobody else has. Simple as that. And we have here this look now. It is random. So I guess that's it. I'd share what I have here. I can put it on Eric Dubois GitHub. So this one is okay. There's one thing I don't like, and that was the places. So if you delete the places, like, oh no, wait, nothing to do. The only thing you need to do is tell him to use the other guy. We got to rename that one as well. So we go to through our file manager to icons. Here it says Ghost Flexible Arc. So that's the folder I'd like. So I have to call this guy Rainbow Arc. Because I'm gonna tell him this thing, I'm gonna tell look index team inherits Sardi. No, I'm gonna say inherit Sardi Ghost Flexible Rainbow one. Rainbow safe. Sardi Ghost Flexible. I feel I'm doing something wrong here. Yes, I'm doing something wrong. Control Z, Control Z. Stop. I have to go in here. Yes. And then tell the index team Sardi Ghost Flexible Rainbow. Sardi Ghost Flexible Rainbow. Voila, Sardi Ghost Flexible Rainbow. I have to tell that this, if I select Sardi Ghost Flexible Rainbow Arc, it should use the folders, yes, but the icons will come from something new that is now just created, and that's the name, Sardi Ghost Flexible Rainbow. Sardi Ghost Rainbow. Okay, perfect. Then we do appearance, icons, Sardi Ghost Flexible Rainbow Arc, close, and we have our folders the way I like it, right? This is the folders I'd like to use. And in a virtual machine, we've played around. I said, okay, a little scripting, a little bit of fun, randomizing. It's possible. Am I a fan? No. Is it interesting? Sure. And if I rerun everything will be changing again. Maybe better, for the worse. There's no control as it's random. This one just happens to be white. Oh no, does not happen to be white. Some of the things, yep, some of the things like this one is inside Sardi Flexible. This one is in here, actions. So all of these guys are white, and exit is somewhere in here, somewhere at the bottom. I think XFCE something. Here is suspend, and exit is here somewhere as well. And that's why they're still white, because we did not tell them to randomize these things. So if you want more, all you need to do, let's do one more. Control A, Control C, go to the desktop, in here, delete everything again, Control V, yep, and then run the script. Errors and all, doesn't matter. It's just for the things that are symbolic links. Oops, a lot of work. Okay, done. Looking like this. Control A, Control C. Back to Eric, to icons, to think Eric. This one, that one. Control A, delete. Ava likes it. Yep, and Control V. Now there is also something to remember. This one is important, so either you create a new one, create new icon, is a script which should be, hey, where are you? right mouse click, make executable, so the schmot thing, create new icon. Voila, cache file created. And now we have a look again. So this one, maybe it's again white, maybe not. We switch, and that's still white. Some other things as well. So you keep on changing things, you keep on making elements. Eee, look at that, how much white is there? Here is everything is okay, and here, that's a strange thing, right? So I don't know, let's see here. It's just he just forgot. It's okay, it's okay, it's just, it's too much, it's just too much work for him. Start decodes flexible ring, yeah, Control A, delete. Probably is cache, just F5, F5, F5. He'll figure out that there are other colors. Maybe a logout can help, that's true. A logout, look at those colors, nice. How long has the video been recording? Still a little white here. How is Tuner looking? Super shift. Oh, there is no coloring here. Oh, there is. Coloring, all kind of coloring. Right mouse click, all kind of things. You like it, you hate it, it's up to you. It's just a what if that I had, and I'll put it on the GitHub. And more importantly, I'll put the test here, the change color. I'll just call it change color, and you can give it a go, give it a try. Maybe perfect it, change it, complete it. For me, the what if is finished. Not that nice, not so fancy as I thought, but hey, it's random, right? Okay, enjoy.